Hello, I'm Piotr. Our topic for today is vacuum sewer trucks. They are designed for the vacuum cleaning of wells, cesspits, septic tanks, stormwater and sewer networks from silt, oil sludge, and other dense deposits. A vacuum sewer truck is a specialized vehicle for pumping viscous, dense, silty deposits and sludges with high solid content: sand, clay, stones, organic silt, industrial sediments. After collection, the waste is transported to the disposal site. The main task of vacuum sewer trucks is their ability to handle solid and viscous substances thanks to powerful equipment and a fraction separation system. The process begins with the truck arriving at the site and the operator lowering the suction hose. Next, the vacuum pump is switched on, creating suction, which draws the silt into the tank. At the same time, water is separated and pumped into an adjacent compartment. If there are solid deposits in the well, they are broken up by a high-pressure water jet, allowing for effective removal of all contaminants. Why is a vacuum sewer truck a philosopher? It knows that even the deepest well has a bottom, until it meets Soviet-era pipes without blueprints. After filling the tank, which takes only 5 to 7 minutes for a 10-3 volume, the truck heads to the disposal site. There, the silt is unloaded through the rear hatch, and the water is drained through a special pipe. This process allows for quick and high-quality cleaning of reservoirs, ensuring their further operability. The operating technology of vacuum sewer trucks offers unique capabilities for efficient and safe cleaning. One key advantage is versatility, combining the functions of vacuum suction, hydroflushing, and waste transportation. A vacuum sewer truck can replace several pieces of specialized equipment, such as cesspool emptiers and sewer jetting machines, making it indispensable for complex tasks. All-season operation is another important advantage. Vacuum sewer trucks can operate at temperatures down to 20 degrees Celsius, making them reliable helpers in any climatic conditions. Efficiency is impressive. Suction depth reaches 15 meters for standard models and up to 28 meters for specialized units. This allows cleaning even in hard-to-reach places, expanding the range of tasks. Safety and hygiene. Sealed tanks prevent leaks and minimize personnel contact with waste, ensuring safe working conditions. Cost-effectiveness makes vacuum sewer trucks attractive for both large enterprises and private needs. The quick payback period allows businesses to save, and renting is a profitable option for irregular use. The history of waste removal in Russia is a journey from night soil to modern vacuum sewer trucks. Before the 20th century, waste was manually removed by night soil men, zolatari, which led to epidemics. Waste was transported at night by horse-drawn carts by workers called zolatari. This was a socially unprestigious profession, often performed by prisoners or the poorest segments of the population. Stench and unsanitary conditions in cities led to cholera and dysentery epidemics. The process of waste removal, assainissement, from French sanitation, became a system for protecting soil and groundwater from pollution. However, mechanization was absent. Night soil men used shovels and barrels, and waste was dumped into ditches or rivers. With the appearance of GAZ-53 trucks in the 1970s, the world of waste removal services changed forever. These vehicles became powerful helpers in waste management. The ASM-53 model boasted a 32 50-liter tank that filled in just 8 to 10 minutes. Particular attention deserves the ANM-53, the first vacuum truck with a pump powered by the Power Takeoff Unit, PTO. This innovation automated the process. The engine automatically stopped when the tank was full. By the 1980s, the improved KO503 model, created by the Arzamas plant, took the stage. It was equipped with a vacuum pump, controlled valves, and insulated modifications for northern conditions, KO501. Later, a version with an added boom and winch for hoses appeared, the KO503B. These machines became true heroes of their time. In the 1990s, the term vacuum sewer truck, ilosos, began to denote equipment with expanded functions, designed for cleaning not only cesspits, but also wells, storm networks, and industrial settling tanks. Automation of vacuum sewer trucks offers significant advantages in efficiency and resource savings. Thanks to precise parameter control, tank filling time is reduced by 30 to 50%, and complete silt removal without residue in settling tanks becomes a reality. Resource savings are impressive. Automatic operating cycles reduce personnel requirements by 40–60%, and pump power adjustment reduces energy consumption by up to 25%. Personnel contact with toxic waste is minimized, and protection against overloads and corrosion extends equipment lifespan. Automation in managing vacuum sewer trucks involves integrating electronic systems, sensors, and software to optimize the processes of suction, transportation, and disposal of silt deposits. Modern vacuum sewer trucks are becoming smarter and more efficient thanks to adaptive control. They now automatically adjust operating speed based on silt density data, significantly improving sediment removal efficiency. This not only improves cleaning quality, but also saves resources. Safety and control are key elements of modern management. Operators now have access to SMS notifications for critical events like accidents or tank overflow. Remote controls allow operators to manage the boom, pumps, and flushing guns from distances up to 50 meters. After unloading the silt, automatic tank washing with high-pressure nozzles ensures perfect cleanliness. Diagnostic systems warn in advance of potential equipment wear, extending its lifespan. Operating a vacuum sewer truck involves serious risks requiring strict safety compliance. Damage to the vacuum system from large objects, stones, scrap metal, can cause blockages and breakdowns, damaging the impeller and pipelines. The suction hose is also vulnerable. Driving over it or kinking can cause rupture, and sharp edges can cause abrasion. System leaks are another problem caused by wear and corrosion. Tank overloading can lead to tipping and chassis damage. Biological and chemical hazards. Contact with untreated sewage can cause infections like hepatitis A and dysentery. Toxic gases like hydrogen sulfide and methane pose serious threats. Be especially careful working in wells and tanks. Chemicals can damage equipment and cause burns. Organic aerosols can cause allergies. Falling into a well or tank is one of the most dangerous risks. Unstable footing, slippery surfaces, and lack of guardrails can lead to tragedy. Contact with overhead power lines is another serious risk, especially when raising the boom, as the truck body might accidentally touch wires. Hose rupture under pressure or vacuum can cause a powerful discharge of sewage. Falling objects into the work area are another risk, especially near construction sites. Fires and explosions. The presence of flammable gases or vapors combined with an ignition source, spark, poses a serious threat. Regular safety training and instruction for staff must be the norm. Work in wells should only be performed under a permit system, work permit, with a partner above ground. Proper connection and disconnection of hoses, monitoring tank fill level, and gradual vacuum release help prevent accidents. Scheduled maintenance and regular equipment inspection play a vital role in ensuring safety. A comprehensive approach to risk management requires discipline and responsibility. The Russian market features many companies developing, manufacturing, and supplying vacuum sewer trucks for utilities, industry, and construction. KAMAZ, a giant of Russian engineering, offers a wide range of vacuum trucks known for reliability and durability. KAMAZ actively implements modern technologies and optimizes its models for various conditions. Vacuum truck AKN10 on KAMAZ 43108 chassis. This reliable helper with 6x6 all-wheel drive and a 300 HP engine is ready for any task. Options include a sleeper cab and valve heating using the exhaust system. Equipped with 6mm hoses and protective fittings. Ideal for collecting petroleum products and non-aggressive liquids. Tanks made of durable 4 to 5 mm steel with anti-corrosion treatment. Safety ensured by overpressure vacuum valves, explosion-proof electrics, and special hazardous goods labeling. Adapted for extreme conditions, tanks operate from 20-degree Celsius to plus 40-degree Celsius. In Russia, 95% of vacuum sewer trucks are assembled on KAMAZ and ZIL chassis, but Chinese components like XP series pumps and tanks are actively used. Environmental trends are gaining momentum. In China, the production of vacuum sewer trucks and vacuum trucks is developing rapidly due to high demand from utilities and construction sectors. Leading manufacturers like Dongfeng, Wuhan, offer a wide range of special equipment, impressing with production scale. Sinotruck vacuum sewer trucks combine German technology, adaptation to Russian conditions, and cost-effectiveness. Key advantages: reliability of MAN engines, maintainability, developed service network in Russia. Compact HOWO models are optimal for utilities. Powerful Citrac, C7H chassis units for industry. Suction depth, up to 30 meters depending on model, allowing work with deep wells and tanks. Pumps, vacuum pumps capacity up to 1350 3H, and high-pressure hydraulic systems, up to 150 bar, for breaking up dense deposits. Temperature range, operates from 20 degrees, models with heated valves and vibrators for unloading frozen silt. Tanks, made of stainless steel with separate compartments for silt and water, capacity up to 32 mm 3. Fuel efficiency, 20–30% lower fuel consumption compared to analogs due to optimized engines. Cab, Citrac cab meets ECE R29 standard, reinforced rollover structure, air suspension, climate control, sleeper berth. Control systems, excellent systems, equipped with tank overflow sensors and pump seizure protection. Belcomto, Minsk, specializes in manufacturing vacuum sewer trucks known for high efficiency and reliability in utilities and industry. Their machines combine power, all-season capability, and cost-effectiveness, confirmed by their use in Belarusian utility services and industrial enterprises. The equipment is adapted for harsh operating conditions. Pumps. Use of Italian pumps, capacity 720-2600 bars, M3H, ensures fast suction of dense silt deposits, up to 1400 talar chlor M3. Hydro flushing, plunger high-pressure pumps, up to 200 bar, with extension guns and replaceable nozzles, allow destruction of solid deposits in wells, 15-20 meters deep. Water recycling, unique option for combined models, allowing filtering and reuse of contaminated water, speeding up clog clearance without extra resources. Control, remote controls and radio control ensure process monitoring at a distance. Rotating booms, 270-300 degree, with telescopic hydraulic cylinders, enable work in hard-to-reach areas without moving the truck. Tanks. Tank design separates silt water from dense deposits, reducing transported waste volume and saving fuel. Applications. Used for cleaning storm drains, sewers, industrial tanks, and in emergencies, pipe bursts, floods. Temperature range, from 20 degrees C to plus 140 degrees C, maintained via heated valves, water circuits, and liquid-cooled pumps. Tank construction, made from corten or stainless steel with reinforced welds and stiffeners. Coating applied before assembly prevents rust. Unloading, washing, tip unloading of silt and automatic tank washing with water eliminate manual intervention. Efficiency, water separation reduces disposal trips, saving up to 30%. Vacuum sewer trucks are not just dirt suckers, but versatile machines for creative and complex tasks. Their potential is unlocked in the hands of inventive operators. In Siberia, entrepreneurial fishermen rented a vacuum sewer truck to drill holes in a lake ice. The high-pressure water jet pierced meter-thick ice in seconds, and the silt was sucked out immediately, preventing refreezing. The multifunctionality of vacuum sewer trucks, cleaning plus transport plus flushing, makes them key machines in ensuring cleanliness and safety, supporting ecology, and our comfort for life and work. Stay tuned and get the latest special equipment market news first. Portal nashell.ru works for you, because of you, and together with you.